Welcome to day 3. Today, we'll work on letting go of negative thoughts. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Let's start by focusing on your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Imagine your thoughts are like clouds in the sky. Some are light and fluffy, while others may be dark and heavy. Observe them as they drift by. Remember, you don't need to hold on to them. They come and go, just like clouds. Now, let's release the heavy, negative thoughts. Picture a gentle stream in front of you. Imagine placing each negative thought onto a leaf and letting the stream carry it away. One by one, place your worries, fears, or doubts onto the leaves. Watch them float downstream, further and further away. As each thought drifts away, feel your mind becoming lighter and clearer. Repeat silently to yourself. I release what I cannot control. I am free. Let's do this again. I release what I cannot control. I am free. Let's do this one last time. I release what I cannot control. I am free. Let these words anchor you in the present moment. Continue to release your thoughts into the stream, knowing you don't have to carry them anymore. Bring your awareness back to your breath. Feel the calm and lightness in your body. Take one final deep breath in and out. When you're ready, open your eyes and return to your day, feeling refreshed and unburdened. Thank you for taking this time for yourself today. Stillness is a powerful gift. It allows us to see clearly, to find peace amidst the noise, and to reconnect with what truly matters. Remember, you can return to this practice whenever you need a moment of clarity. Thank you for meditating with me. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. This helps my channel a lot. Or share your experience with your meditation in the comments. Come back daily to build your habit. Thank you so much and see you tomorrow.